But this is a great time of year also to think about a fall maintenance. So we're going to start to call our customers in the next week or so to start scheduling everything out and start scheduling these maintenances so we can get in there and prepare the homes for the winter. But while we're there, we could take a look at your thermostat settings, help you set it up to maximize the energy efficiency and comfort in your home to make sure we're getting the best use of our systems. And then while we're there, we're going to change the filters, clean the furnace cavity, the blower cavity. We're going to check all the safety measures on your furnace system because that's a real important thing to do every single year before you start using your furnace. Make sure it's safe and check all the safety features are working properly. The flue vents are cleared, things like that, so we don't have any health issues that a furnace can cause in the home.